probably put that in another video. I actually may have time in this one. So I just went into my Ally account. I moved all the cash to all challenges, and altogether we have $714 even. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and flip you all around so you can see what I'm doing. And yeah, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you're having a great day. If you are new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with putting this money where we need it to go. Okay, y'all, so I am in my Ally account. Let's go ahead and move this cash where it needs to go. I have my calculator sitting to the side. Well, my other cell phone sitting to the side, and my calculator ready to go. So when it comes to health and wellness plus pet, it's going to get a total of 150. Whoops, 150.26. And let's just do this here. Let's do 150. When it comes to car things is getting $51. So let's see. So 720 plus 51 equals 771. So 77. Whoops. 771. And when it comes to all challenges, of course, we are taking cash from where it needs to go. When it comes to travel, I have my calculator up, and I'm going to go ahead and add, let's clear that out. Let's do 630 plus travel is getting 208, which equals to 838. 838. Okay, the basket is still empty. And we'll move down to emergency, which is $60 on top of $4,940. Okay, so I had to go ahead and restart this up. And I may have to speed through this as well. So 5,000 for emergency. Family started out at $220, and family is going to get $49. So family is going to get $289 even. And when it comes to holidays has 98 cents plus, let's do $63. Okay, so it stopped recording, so I had to go back in and add $63 for holidays. For homie is getting $54. And what homie already has is $1,370 plus, what I say, 50, homie 54. So homie is going to get $1,424. I messed up. Holidays 63, so 60. Y'all, I am so sorry about this. So $63 and I think 98 cents. And homie is going to get 142,400. And let's see if I'm missing some here. We have random giveaway, which is, okay, all the three for Sunny Day, Selfie, Navy Federal, Christmas. I do need to sell all of those to where they need to go, so I'm going to go ahead and close this out. And the money that you saw in my core for $200 and some, that was all the interest that I got paid this year. So I went ahead and checked my mailbox, and I have another Christmas card. Kiki, thank you so much. I'm late on sending out Christmas cards. and today is Saturday the 23rd, so I'm going to do something different. So if you see me asking for your email address, just know it's me and it's not a scam. So the card says Season's Greetings, and this little Santa head is on the beach. Let's see what it says. Hey sis, I hope you and your family have a wonderful and blessed Christmas and Happy New Year. Aw, that is not right. Sending warm wishes for a bright holiday from Sweet Kiki. Thank you so much. I'm going to add this to my other Christmas cards that I have, and I will probably send everybody a message on Instagram telling them when to check their emails, and it will be something in the email from me. So I do hope you all have a great rest of your day. Don't worry about my flexi rod. I just took it out. And I hope you all have a Merry Christmas, chilling and hanging out with your friends, your family, kids, all of the above. Bye.